Gains, gains, gains. Altcoin Bible time. Let's crack into this really exciting market. Speaking of gains, if you are not reading our newsletter, you really have to. I was just putting together the new newsletter that's coming out this Thursday, and I look back on the first edition that I did for October, so a month ago, and it was all about 5 altcoins poised to explode. I looked back, I checked the charts, what I had posted, and all I covered was XRP, Matic, Stacks, ETH, and Chainlink. Now, 2 of those are already up 50% since posting this article. XRP, Ethereum, and Matic are all up roughly the same amount, just under 10%. So if you are not reading this, if you have been getting a little bit lazy, now is the time to tune in. There is the best time to really get into this market and start learning and positioning was yesterday. The next best time is right now. Make sure you're reading this newsletter. If you're not a subscriber, you absolutely have to. It's the cost of 2 Netflix subscriptions per month. And if you get onto these early, you can make some serious coin. Right, Solana is an absolute black hole. I know it was my danger zone from last altcoin Bible, so I have to put my hand up there. Did not expect this strength out of nowhere. The conditions I set didn't get triggered. So we are seeing this real follow through of Solana. It's had some fundamental news with Breakpoint and whatnot, but this looks like continuation. Sometimes when you don't want to get caught up in the shorter term noise, go to the weekly, see what it's telling you. And Solana was in a range for about 365 days. It has broken out of that, like Chainlink. As another example, it's closed above 2 weekly candles. So that is a confirmation of a breakout continuation. So this is going to be a huge runner over the midterm, but in the short term, I think it could cool off soon. But regardless, this is my cherry ripe because it is just flashing strength. Ethereum, you love to see it. It's my one to watch. It's had a 22% move off that strong bullish divergence, rather, which we were just screaming about for ages, but it just moves slower. These big market cap coins, they move slower, but when they move, boy, do they move hard. So 22%, congratulations. It is right underneath the go time signal that I've had there drawn for many months. It gets above that 1850, she's off. I'd love to see a punch out, then a pullback, then off. Definitely my one to watch. Go your hardest. AGIX, love what this has done in the short term. I mean, it's up just a tremendous amount of percent. I don't know exactly why, but just technically, I think she cools down soon. Momentum indicator starting to roll over. It's at the 200-day moving average. I'd love to see a pullback into this zone. Not sure if we'll give it to you. A lot of these cryptos, even like Bitcoin, are just not giving investors those optimal entry points that we're so used to, that recency bias. This really is starting to look like a bull market starting to develop. I don't want to throw out hopium there. A lot of these coins are just running and is keeping people in fiat on the sidelines, unsure about how to enter. There's a lot of disbelief. So just keep that in mind. But AGIX this week is my danger.